fourth industrial revolution infuses both physical product innovation and digital process innovation, unlocking a whole world of potential.
Well, the fourth industrial revolution is all about the digital world and the physical world coming together.
It is taking big amounts of data in ways never even imagined in the past.
The fourth industrial revolution is a metamorphosis of what's happening in the manufacturing industry.
If you actually drew a line around the Midwest, we'd be the fourth largest economy in the world. We're hoping through events like this, we've created more interconnectedness, more partnerships that will position Chicago, position the Midwest as the leader in the fourth revolution.
When we combine that intellectual and entrepreneurial horsepower with the legacy that we have in manufacturing, we can actually be responsible for shepherding in this new industrial revolution that's happening all around us.
The Fourth Revolution Award ceremony represents our ability to move forward and take the Chicago and Midwest region and highlight it as the innovative leader that it is.
And for us to take a moment of pause to just reflect and celebrate everything that's happening.
These leaders that we are recognizing really are the greatest in terms of technology, in terms of entrepreneurship. I really believe the workforce of the future is what you're going to be seeing right here.
Together, we will ensure that the region's manufacturing sector is driven, infused with world-class talent, and continues to reign as a global leader into the 21st century.